Hello folks, we're on a big day today. We're going to Skye just for the journey. We'll have about an hour in Portree and then we'll have to start heading home. So say we, it's myself and Paul again. But we're separated for the moment due to a slight navigational error. So we're going to meet up in Aberfeldy, which was our first planned stop. And I've come up from the borders, and it's the road that we're taking is over by Knock Hill, which I think the last time I came over this road I was hoping for the opportunity to share the lovely view with everybody, but it's a thick car, you couldn't see anything. So it's going to be clear today, so it should be lovely. It's early doors, it's only 7:10, we left at 6, or about 6:15 to be fair. We're probably not going to get home till about, I don't know, I'm thinking about 8 o'clock tonight actually. So, I hope you enjoy the roads, because some will be familiar, and I'll probably not put them all on the video to be fair, because I've seen them before, but some are going to be absolutely stunning in roads that I've rarely been on, if at all. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. All the mist in the far distance. Gorgeous. So I'm going to meet up with Paul and Aberfeldy, seeing we've got separated. Which is my fault. I should have not taken off quite as progressively in amongst all the traffic. Because I think Paul put Aberfeldy into his sat-nav, and I suspect, the quickest way to Aberfeldy is not this way. So sat-nav will probably just default to the fastest route, which would not have been here. This is the more fun route. It's only about 15 degrees at the moment, let's check. 14 degrees. It's still a wee bit cool, but the temperature's meant to hit 22 and 23 today. So it's a rollicking hot day for Scotland. Oh, I remember this now. What a view, cracking. Lovely view. Glen Eagles, is it? I can't recall. I think so. I would imagine so, yes. Surprised they don't charge me just for driving through it. So that's grief. God, I can't remember the last time I was here. Ages ago. It's in a garden centre here somewhere. Left the garden centre. Yeah, that's right. We stopped here a few times, isn't it? I can't remember where it is. It's the wrong place. It's always a possibility. Yeah. Never know where I am most of the time. I know where I've been, and I know where I'm going. I don't often know where I am. I'm thinking a wee bacon roll in Aberfeldy, something like that. That'd go down a treat. We take a left here. That's what I do know. "21 miles. Once again, I think the last time I came on this first part at least was thick for cloud, low cloud it was, you could see. That's right, all this was cloud. Shrouded in low cloud. Hiya. Oh, I'm just ahead of you then. Oh, I know where to stop is. I know about down here. Oh, I know where to stop. Does this not take you down to the bit with the river? Yes, it does.